A while ago, I followed a recipe to make tortellini carbonara. I thought it was pretty good, but I got some feedback from an Italian, and basically everything I did was wrong. Lucky for me, they gave me the recipe of how they make a carbonara. So today I'm going to follow that and see how real Italian carbonara differs from the recipe I was making. Let's begin. First of all, how dare I use tortellini for my carbonara? You gotta use spaghetti for this. Spaghetti you are going to boil in water for no more and no less than 10 minutes. Now last time, my recipe told me to only use yellow of a medium egg. However, according to my Italian friends, that is absolutely wrong. Instead, we're going to use the entire egg for this. And we're not going to add cheese to it like we did last time. This egg we will mix up in the bowl. And then combine with a cup of milk. Last time when I made this, I was using the water from my boiling pasta to add to my egg, and I mixed it together with some cheese. We're not going to do that this time. Instead, we're leaving the egg and the milk together, and the cheese we'll add at the end of the recipe. Using bacon for my carbonara last time was the right idea. However, I was using flat strips of bacon, which apparently is not good enough. Instead, you gotta have some bacon cubes. For this, I'm using pancetta. These bacon cubes we're going to roast in a pan until they're nice and crispy. You do not need any butter or oil for this because the bacon is fat enough and it will bake in its own fat. After no more and no less than 10 minutes, add your spaghetti to your bacon and mix everything together on a low fire for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, turn off the fire and add your egg and milk mixture. Mix everything together for another minute in the pan. Last time I made carbonara, I used some old aged cheese with a strong flavor. However, for a true Italian dish, you need some Italian cheese, such as this Grana Padano, which was also recommended by my Italian friend. Finish your dish with some black pepper. And your true Italian carbonara is ready to serve. And there it is. I am quite curious how different the taste will be from my last one. The looks are pretty much the same, but the cheese has quite a different smell to it. So we shall see. Alright. Well, first impressions, you can taste the meat a lot more than the last time. And it's also quite a lot more creamy together with the milk and the whole egg. It's quite nice actually. Definitely better than the tortellini carbonara I made last time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy my content.